This daily market update has been brought to you by Daily Wealth Report. Trading involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for you. Past performance is no guarantee or reliable indication of future results. All advice and education content is of the nature of general information only and must not in any way be construed or relied upon as legal, financial, or personal advice.
Good morning, traders and investors. It's Wednesday, the 11th of July, and we've seen the European markets rallying overnight, but the US markets gave up some of their more recent gains. As we take a look at the FTSE index, we can see that FTSE 100 was up 36 points, or 0.65%, closing at 5664. We have a look at the German DAX, and it actually had gained 50 points, closing at 0.8% up. We can see that it attempted to rally through the day, but has come off from those intraday highs, closing at 6438, whilst the CAC 40, the French CAC 40, had closed up 18 points, or 0.6% at 3175, showing a very similar price action as the German DAX there. Heading over into the US, and the Dow Jones was down 83 points, or 0.6% at 12,653, and we can see that it's been pulling back for the last week or so, and we're now coming back down towards some lows down around 12,450, which are maybe potential support base down through there. The S&P 500 had closed down as well, down 11 points, or 0.8% at 1341, and the Nasdaq, or technology index, had closed down 29 points, or 1% down at 2902. This subsequently saw the VIX index rallying, and we've seen the VIX index up 74 cents, or 4%, at 1872. So that's just recovering some of the more recent losses, still in a short-term sideways movement, as we can see through here. As we look closer to home, the ASX 200 was down 21 points on Tuesday, closing at 4097, continuing that short-term retracement. We have the SPY futures down a further 21 points today, following the US market, so that's likely to have a negative influence on the opening bell. That will also see the ASX 200 trading down below its 20-day moving average. If we are truly in this range again, then the moving averages aren't an effective indicator for identifying trend. Well, that's our summary for Wednesday, the 11th of July. We look forward to giving you an update again tomorrow.